Welcome to the 5th episode of our series on Japanese schools. If you have not checked out the other videos in this series, you can find their links in the description below. Today, we will discuss about the admission process for a Japanese kindergarten, Yochen. Majority of Japanese Yochens are private institutions. Some of these are run by religious groups. Recently, there is a growing number of international Yochens with English teachers that are starting to become popular in Japan. A Yochen in Japan usually offers 3 years of preschooling, Nensho, Nenchu and Nencho. Depending on their age, the students can enroll for 3, 2 or 1 year programs respectively. In this episode, we focus on admission for Nensho, that is, for 3-year-old kids. Parents usually start to search for an appropriate Yochen and collect background information as soon as a child turns 2. The application process usually begins around August or September of a calendar year. The first step in the selection process is Nyuyen Setsumeikai. This is a process in which the school introduces its facilities to the prospective applicants by giving a tour of the premises to the parents. Additionally, the school staff explain the process of admission for the kids. Most of the Yochens will conduct Nyuyen Setsumeikai in August or September. It is better to fix an appointment with the Yochen for this briefing. The next step in the process is the filling of the application forms. Most Yochens start issuing the application forms from mid-October onwards. Parents can buy these forms from the respective Yochens by paying the application fees. The parents can fill the application forms and submit it by the cutoff date, usually in November. Once the application form is submitted, the parents can secure a place in the interview process. The interview process varies from one Yochen to another, but there are some popular steps that most Yochens follow. Some institutions require the parents to dress formally, so choose the appropriate attire. It is also better to arrive at the venue ahead of the schedule to avoid any unnecessary delays. The families are usually made to sit together in a room for some time. After some time, the children are taken to a separate room to play. The staff of the Yochen then observe these kids to see how they get along and if there are any specific issues. After some time, the parents are invited for the interview along with the child. At this stage, the child is asked some basic questions like its name, etc. After this, the parents would be interviewed. Most of the questions are very basic, but remember, in Japanese Yochens, the questions will be posted in Japanese language. So a basic knowledge of Japanese is essential. You can also check with the Yochen during the Nyuyen Setsumeikai whether you are permitted to bring an interpreter with you. Finally, the teachers will once again explain the rules and regulations of the Yochen. Amongst the other things, they will explain the fee structure as well as the items that kids need to bring to school. After the interview, the results are announced. Usually in small towns and cities, the results are announced on the same day. But in larger cities, the results are posted to the applicant's address. If selected, the applicants can go ahead and pay the school fees on the designated date and time. So the tentative timeline for the admission process for a Yochen is from August till February. In April, the Yochen opens for the new joinees. Hope you liked this video. Click like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Bye.